One of the benefits of the single plane swing is that the spine tilt away from the target is closer to the 21-degree angle that the Tour Pros hit the driver at. So you can see he's tilted quite a ways back. Now he's going to do a good job of keeping that tilt away from the target line. Let's go ahead and advance this at slow motion. We'll go to the top of the backswing. See how he's staying on the plane line. A little hip shift, not bad. Now he's right there. What I'd like to see is, at this point here, that he got his left arm a little tighter against his chest, so it was a little bit more behind him. He hasn't really pulled that arm across his chest, because we'd like to see the arm sliding up and down the chest in the downswing. So we're going to get him a little further behind. It's tough to do. It means you got to loosen up your shoulder muscles. Now let's go ahead and advance it slowly down. We're going to see it. There he is, coming through at impact. Notice how he kept his head even further back than it was at setup, and he's getting a good amount of lag, reasonable, so the club isn't passing his hands until after impact. See that? Going to rotate on through. You can see the ball is just heading straight up and going, I mean, right along the target line. You can see that there just off to the right. How his head is still down. His triangle that he created with his arms and shoulders is still intact. His feet are on the ground, and he's rotating through. The one thing we're going to work on is to try to get eventually this right hip up to that red line also. That means he's going to have to stop coming up on his toes right about in here. Now notice, I'm going to blow this up if I can. Take a look right here. See how the left heel is off the ground? If it's off the ground, there's no way I transferred any weight onto it, is there? So we got to get him to slam that heel into the ground, so we'll gain a little distance. What I like is how straight he's becoming using this particular technique. Good job.